Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday! It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. Packing an outfit for each day of your trip takes up a lot of space in your bag. But it often feels like you have no other choice. You know you're not going to do laundry while you're traveling, and you don't want to have to rewear the same smelly shirts, so it seems like it's your only good option. However, by simply switching clothing materials, you can pack less, up to 86% less actually. So this is today's tip. Travel with merino wool, the holy grail of travel clothing. Merino wool is fantastic because it is naturally antibacterial, meaning it's odor resistant, allowing you to literally wear the same shirt for multiple days in a row without it smelling. This one property alone creates a paradigm shift when it comes to traveling. This means instead of packing 10 shirts, you could realistically just pack 2, cycling between each every other day. Or heck, if you're really that adventurous, you could even get by with 1 if you really wanted to. And if you think this sounds crazy, there have been many people who have worn the same merino wool shirt for multiple weeks in a row, or a merino wool dress for 100 days in a row. Merino wool is really that incredible. Now, I know what you're thinking. Luigi, are you really asking me to wear the same 2 shirts every day when I travel? Yes. Yes, I am. And you know what the best part is? No one will even notice. People tend to be so wrapped up in their own appearances that they don't really care to take notice of your clothes, of what you're wearing, or compare them to what you wore the previous day, for that matter. And if they do, they will appreciate you and your lifestyle that much more when you explain to them your reasoning behind your travel light wardrobe. So there you go. Now you know why merino wool truly is the holy grail of travel clothing. With it, you can pack less and travel so much easier, losing all that stress that comes with packing a bunch of outfits, most of which you probably won't even wear. And if you want specific merino wool outfit suggestions, see the links in the description of this video. So that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday to help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.